Apple has confirmed that a small percentage of devices with iPhone 7 is affected by an error that prevents the phone from connecting to a cellular network, instead of showing no service in the status bar. Normally, this happens after the iPhone turns off the airplane mode and cannot reconnect to the service. The company says the problem is due to a failed component on the main logic board, and will offer free repairs to customers who experience the problem. However, there are some restrictions. The affected devices, according to Apple, must be of a specific model number depending on the region in which the customers bought their devices. The company says that these devices were manufactured between September 2016 and February 2018 and were sold in China, Hong Kong, Japan, Macao and the United States. Apple also stipulates that it may require the customer to repair their affected iPhones in the country or region or buy, and if the device has unrelated problems, such as a cracked screen, customers must first resolve it before going through the free add-on service repair. Finally, iPhones eligible for this program must be purchased less than 2 years ago. If a customer has already paid for this to be fixed, they may be able to receive a refund for the cost of the repair.